and this is Sea Life. Here's what's going on, you guys. Yesterday we were just playing War Out when we came in, so we didn't upload. But today it has been raining in Georgia, and our little weather forecast thing on our phone says it's gonna rain all week long. Well, we need to get this done by the end of the week. We got exactly 1 week, exactly 6 days to get this pole barn done. So what we're gonna do is just be die-hard millers and press on through, rain or not. Get a rain jacket. He says, not right this second, he doesn't. So it's slowing down a little bit. Maybe we'll find favor and it'll dry up some. Who knows? That would be really very nice. So just like Elva Edison said, you gotta know 700 ways it don't work before you find out how it does work. So who knows? We'll figure out this thing yet. Here we go. We're gonna try this method. Hey, you know what? I seem to be doing pretty good, but I'm no good judge of that. That don't seem bad so far. That's pretty nice. That's interesting. We ran out of line. Well, now what? Oh, well, this trusty little tool here, that's what. Let's see. Maybe if I help. No? When you pull, if I... Yeah. You begin to figure out why people use tractors. Well, we managed. Can hear the rain, but here it goes. We've got our first log latched in, and Daniel's getting ready to start the mill, and we're going to make this thing happen. There it goes. Tell him, Daniel, that fresh cut pine really smells good in the rain. It's like that pine essential oil. It just smells so beautiful. Yep, that's in essence what pine essential oil should be. Just fresh from the tree. Nothing added. Daniel just asked me if I wanted to continue, if we wanted to try and get this log done. I think we will, because I've got dinner cooking in the crock pot. Yeah, so if he's up to it, I'm up to it. This is a pretty big log here he's trying to deal with right now. It's pretty big. This is about the largest log we have had up here yet. But yeah, that's a good sized log there. Is a good sized log. Yeah, we're getting ready. Even the dog ran for cover. I can imagine she thinks we're crazy. Yep, it's a rainy day. I'm just interested to see how big that is compared to that head there. I guess we still have quite a bit of log we could still be cutting.
Here she goes. She's going to flip this log, we hope. This one's kind of heavy. See there? She's actually getting a little bit on there. I think you're going to have to get it down lower. There you go. Oh. Paying attention to what you're doing and not the camera. No? Okay, just leave it there.
Daniel got it, but that was a bit too much weightlifting for me. Come out the ring.
Hey, you're not
and
supposed to
bring
have
my
that glove.
glove, you little turkey. You better come on.
Hey, bring me that glove. Bring it here.
There he is. That's a good dog. Okay.
You have it.
She don't want to give it.
You did good bringing it back to me.
That's a good girl.
Yeah.
She's just a little pup. I'm latched in now. And I think this is going to be the last log mill today. Once we get it all milled out. And we're going to head to the house and upload videos, I hope. And ready to go.
Yeah, next time slide it further down the log and then push it up. But when you get it moving, they slide.
He said I should have started back towards this end and pulled it back towards that end so it wouldn't. I got it nearly caught up under the engine there. So Daniel's over here. He's getting ready to change this blade. And he's just undoing the little guard here. Order a new guard too, but of course we like to keep a little bit of extra pieces around just in case.
Did you go over there and pull that out of there?
Oh, I'm gonna get involved here. Luckily, this...
One side's really sharp, so...
Yeah.
You've got to twist it backward. Twist it.
And this is the perfect time to brush off all the sawdust inside of the head. Got this side in. And now he's going to help me, assist me with my side. Two people can, easily just, and he probably could have even done this by himself, I think. What to do is set the tension, and we'll show you how that's done here in just a minute. Okay, Daniel's over there. He's turning this knob. I'm going to show you. This knob right here is the tensioner, and he's got it set. And now put the guards on. And it says right on the front of the door, do not operate without the guards. So, very important to get your little yellow guard back on. Dang, it feels like he's got to order a new one because he feels like he's tearing that one up pretty good already.
I don't think they're very expensive.
Right, yeah.
It's just this one. As you can see, it's already cut right there.
Yeah.
It's starting to cut in the front.
Yep. So,
And then the last
that
guard.
is, and the last guard is you turn that knob down. And then close the doors and put the little screw back in the middle. And put the little latches on. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Yeah. Latches and there's no better time to do all those little things than on a rainy day. This is our last pet for the night.